Hi there, Sarah and Faith here with CookThink.com. In this video, we'll show you how to make chicken and watermelon balsamic salad. Preheat your grill and prepare a chicken breast that's been covered in balsamic vinegar. Place the chicken on the grill. Marinate thinly sliced red onions in white vinegar, sea salt, and water. Don't forget to go back and flip the chicken on the grill. Cook until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. Cut the watermelon into bite-sized chunks. Assemble the salad with chopped romaine, chicken, watermelon, walnuts, and marinated onions. Garnish with fresh dill and parsley. And as always, enjoy! For the complete recipe, check the description for the link. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching CookThink.com.